Hello everyone, welcome back to Brilliant IT.
Billionaires often start with a grand vision and ambitious goals. They embrace calculated risks and demonstrate resilience in the face of adversity. They are avid learners, constantly acquiring new skills, staying updated on industry trends and adapting to changes. Billionaires often identify gaps in the market and leverage these opportunities. They scale their ventures, employing strategies such as franchising, global expansion, and forming strategic partnerships. They are innovators, disruptors, often transforming their industries with their groundbreaking ideas. Billionaires diversify their investments across different industries to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. They adopt a long-term perspective, understanding the power of compounding. Real estate and other tangible assets often form part of their diversified portfolio. Billionaires implement smart budgeting, often leading frugal personal lives to maximize savings and investment opportunities. They work with financial experts for tax optimization, minimizing tax liabilities to contribute significantly to wealth accumulation. They build passive income streams, ensuring a steady cash flow even when they're not actively working. Billionaires understand the power of connections. They build strong networks, opening doors to opportunities and collaborations. They seek mentorship from those who've walked the path before them, learning from their experiences and insights. Many billionaires engage in philanthropy, using their wealth to make a positive impact on the world. The journey to becoming a billionaire is a multifaceted one, requiring a particular mindset, entrepreneurship, strategic investments, financial management, and networking. While there's no guaranteed path to this level of wealth, these principles provide a roadmap to potentially achieve it. Remember, financial success varies for everyone. The key is to stay persistent, learn continuously, and never lose sight of your vision.
Next, create multiple income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. Diversify your streams to increase your earnings and secure your wealth. It's essential to live below your means. Stop spending on unnecessary things. Instead, save and invest that money to grow your wealth exponentially. Last but not least, surround yourself with successful individuals. They'll inspire you, share their experiences and knowledge, helping you learn and grow faster. But with determination, patience, and the right strategies, your dream can become a reality. Tune in for our next video where we delve deeper into these strategies.